key to grilling cod, as it is a flaky fish and tends to fall apart when it is cooked, is to use two different methods. You got direct and indirect heat. So what we'll do is we'll start it off directly over the open flame here on the grill surface. And I used to work with a guy, Bill. Bill was a chef, and Bill gave me a valuable piece of advice one time. He said, carbon sticks to carbon. So either oil your grill or oil the fish. Don't oil both, because it will they'll attract one another, right? So you'll get stickage. So we've already oiled the fish. So we're going to drop it on the grill. We're going to wait a few minutes. That's a pretty thick piece there, so probably 1 3/4 inches. So we'll drop it on the grill, wait 2 minutes, give it a quarter turn, wait another 2 minutes, maybe 3, and then we'll flip it over and we'll put it where the open flame is not, and then we'll flip this pan that away and more or less bake it on the grill. That's why I'm heating the pan up. I'm not cooking anything in it. Well, I mean, I'm cooking stuff under it. Invaluable advice from Bill, Chef Bill. Bill also convinced me to make, I was heavily into winemaking, like heavily into winemaking and home brewing at one time. He convinced me to make wine for the owners one time, the owners of the company that I worked for, and they sourced the product Roma tomatoes. I made Roma tomato wine without anything in it. It was just tomatoes, sugar, and like what you need to make wine, fruit wine or vegetable wine, and it was god awful. Oh my god, it was terrible. So yeah, he had some good advice and he had some bad advice. Bill, Chef Bill. Balsamic. Cayenne. Black pepper. Salt. For the cod. It's a cod loin, nice and thick. Cut it in half that way so it'll be easier to flip. That whole piece on the grill would tend to fall apart. Butter at the very end, right before you serve it. Good heavens.